Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to transcribe YouTube videos into text for free using an awesome AI tool. This tool is super easy to use, no need to sign up, no file uploads, and it works fast. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for youtube-transcript.io. It should be the first link that pops up. Click on it and you'll be taken to the site where you can convert any YouTube video into text. Now find the YouTube video you want to transcribe. Just copy the link from the URL bar at the top of your browser. Head back to youtube-transcript.io and paste the video link into the search bar. After that, click the Get Transcript button. And boom, within seconds, you'll see the entire transcript of the video. Now, if you want to remove the timestamps from the transcript, you can easily do that. Just copy the text and paste it into a tool like timewipe.de. Click to remove the timestamps, and now you have a clean transcript ready to use. And that's it! You've successfully transcribed a YouTube video into text, no hassle, and for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on transcribing videos and other cool tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.